Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're featuring what we consider the best Thanksgiving food warmers chafing dishes buffet party supplies, the Sterno Disposable Complete Chafing Dish Buffet Set. Whether you're hosting a holiday party, graduation event, or tailgate, this kit simplifies food service while keeping everything warm, neat, and professional. Let's dive into what you get and why this set stands out. The Sterno Buffet Set comes as a 7-piece package. It includes 2 4-hour wick-safe fuel cans, 2 food pans, 1 wire rack, 1 water pan, and a full set of serving utensils, forks and spoons included. Essentially, it's a full buffet station packed into a single box, disposable and ready for action. Setup is incredibly simple. Unfold the wire rack, insert the water pan, place the food pans inside, and position the fuel cans underneath. Light them up, and you've got a consistent, safe heat source that keeps food warm for hours. This set is designed for up to 4 hours of steady heating, which covers most parties without any fuel replacements or fuss. What makes it truly convenient is the quality and disposability. The aluminum pans are sturdy enough to hold hot entrees and sides without warping or bending under pressure, and when the event's over, just toss them, no dishwashing required. The wire rack is strong enough to support the setup throughout your entire event, and the utensils provided are ready to serve anything from pasta to carved turkey. This product is great for hosts who want to serve a crowd without investing in costly catering equipment or renting buffet warmers. It works just as well for small backyard get-togethers as it does for larger family dinners or potlucks. And thanks to Sterno's century-long reputation for dependable food warming solutions, you're getting a product that's been tested and trusted by professionals. From a portability standpoint, the Sterno Buffet Set is also perfect. Everything is lightweight and compact enough to carry to outdoor venues or community halls. The chafer fuel cans work independently and safely. The flame is steady, contained, and optimized for indoor or outdoor use. If you're in India or ordering internationally, do keep in mind the shipping and import fees. But even then, the convenience and functionality of this kit justify the price, especially when you consider what hiring a catering setup might cost. To wrap it up, for anyone planning a holiday feast, birthday bash, or office party, the Sterno Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet Set is your best friend. It saves time, keeps food warm, eliminates post-party cleanup, and helps you serve your guests with ease and style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more hands-on reviews and buying guides. See you in the next one.